Praise God, we have this Ford Polis here, and we're going to completely change the body panels, all the body panels. As you can see, the condition of the body panels, brothers, from before. Stay with us as we completely replace the body panels. God willing, it'll be blessed. Mashallah, God bless. Look, brothers, the client brought us these body panels from an Indian company, as you can see. 10 panels are coming. Of course, there are 2 different panels for the front bumper area. 2 different panels. So these are 10 panels, as you can see, brothers. Just like you can see, look, brothers, how clean they are. And as you can see, brothers, we're working on removing the body panel that goes in the bumper. Of course, it's different from the ones in the box. It's different. Look at that. Look at the panels. Look at these panels, brothers. Of course, these will be completely replaced. Look how clean they are, brothers. The second one here. Brothers, this is the second one. Look at that, brothers. And this is the old one. As you can see, brothers, look, brothers, this is the body panel that goes in the bumper. Look how worn and damaged it is. And this is the new one. God willing, it'll be blessed. See the new one, brothers. MashaAllah, God bless. MashaAllah, God bless. Let's go. Nice, nice. God bless. This is the Polis after completely changing all the body panels. All the body panels have been replaced. MashaAllah. God bless. God willing, it'll be blessed. MashaAllah. God bless. And this is how the car looks, as you can see, after replacing the body panels. MashaAllah.